Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to install a UNI Air Filter for the Gen 2. And you can get that on our website, www.rngperformance.net. I'd really like to ask you, before we get started in today's video, if you'd hit that thumbs up button, leave us a comment below, make sure you smash that subscribe button. It really does help the channel out, helps us grow, helps our videos get out to people who haven't seen them before and who could benefit from them. We also installed some mirrors on this thing. We're going to show you. It's super easy. 2 bolts, literally pull the mirrors out of the box, loosen 2 bolts, slap them right on. Takes about 2 minutes to put both of them on. No joke, and they look really nice. You can also get those on our website. I'll have links below to all this stuff. Also, guys, on the 16th of December, we're having a Christmas party here. We're gonna have free food and music, and we're gonna just have a blast, guys. We'd like to invite you down to come check out the place. You don't have to spend any money, just come hang out, come talk to us, come get to know us, and see what we do here on our channel. You guys will get to see the machines, the builds, all the stuff that we're doing behind the scenes. So it'd be pretty cool, guys. Come on down. Whoever dresses up as the Grinch, the first person to walk through the door that actually dresses up as the Grinch will get $50 to spend in our store. That'd be awesome. All right, guys, so we're gonna walk over here to this buggy. Now, I still got it pretty much ripped apart from when I was working on the other things that we did videos on. But you would wanna remove this cover. In order to remove that cover, you gotta remove this seat. And that cover goes literally right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. That cover there just covers this. It's easy, pulls right off. Now you're gonna have 3 tabs. 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna go ahead and pop that out. This filter pops out just like so. The new filter is gonna require 2 hands because there's a clamp on this one to actually help hold it in, whereas the stock one there was no clamp, it just sat on there. Gonna wanna get our screwdriver over here. And all we want to do, we don't want to over tighten this clamp, but we want to snug it up. So all we want to do is just put a little snug on that clamp. She's not going anywhere, guys. She's in there. She's nice and tight. She fits really good. Now we're going to go ahead and, I can't see because that light's blinding me. Hopefully you guys can see. Bada boom, bada bing. And then this cover here goes on like so, and you're done. Boom. So guys, literally that easy. Super simple, super easy. So guys, if you're really wondering why we do UNI filters and do away with the paper filters, I actually have a video that I will link at the end of this video to show you how we explain and show you the difference between paper and UNI and why we stand behind UNI products. UNI filters are amazing. Not only are they cheap in the long run, you think they're expensive now, but when you think about it, that filter is gonna last 5, 10 years. You know, I have some that are older than that and still going strong. You can wash them out, clean them. You're gonna wanna get the UNI filter care kit that we sell. You don't need that right out the bat, but you will need it when you go to service that filter. So I definitely recommend grabbing it when you grab the filter. You can clean that thing a gazillion times. Whereas the stock one, you can't clean it, you can't do nothing with it. You don't want to bang out a paper filter and shove it back in. That's not good. Paper filters let things through. I have a whole video. We'll link at the end of this one so you guys can check that out. Here's those mirrors I was telling you guys about. They're very nice mirrors. They look really well. Let's get you guys a front view. There we go. Doesn't that thing just look awesome? Got the mirrors on there now, got the 30-inch tires. If you're curious about those 30-inch tires, we did a video on those as well. Heck yes, we got 2-inch wheel spacers, which we sell on our website. I have a link down below to those as well. I cannot wait to get and rip this rig. It's gonna be awesome. Alright guys, well that's it for this little video. I just wanted to show you guys that. I wanted to get that installed because I haven't had the chance to put one in yet, and I figured why not do a video on that. Super easy. Best upgrade you can do to that machine aside from an R.N.G clutch kit. Definitely get that on our website. Alright guys, peace out. God bless. If I don't see you, Merry Christmas. Peace out guys. Have fun.